Build smarter, buy easier with richmondcustomhomes.com. A mortgage calculator is one of the most powerful tools you can use before buying a home, but only if you use it correctly. Start by entering the home price. Then input your estimated down payment. The larger the down payment, the lower your loan amount and monthly payment. Next, enter the interest rate and loan term, typically 15 or 30 years. This will calculate your estimated principal and interest payment. But don't stop there. Make sure you include property taxes, homeowners insurance, and if applicable, HOA fees and mortgage insurance. These costs significantly impact your true monthly payment. You can also adjust the numbers to test scenarios, increase your down payment, change the rate slightly, or shorten the loan term, and see how it affects affordability. This helps you set a realistic budget before speaking with a lender or real estate agent. A mortgage calculator doesn't replace pre-approval, but it gives you clarity and confidence before you take the next step. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 11106478042128663, Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com, and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.